This is Rozelle Nelson Street for this inspection for a client. That's a terrace, and at that time they were asking 1.8 million, but in this market we are now in end of November, start of December 2022, was sold for 1,680. I am a buyer's agent and I went to inspect this property for a client. Said the reason we saw some value after a desktop research is because there is some value that we can add on this property. So, but this property was sold for 1,680,000 terrace in Rozelle. There you go. So good entrance, a bit of a garden. Yeah, not bad. You get in and you got living area. There you go, air conditioning installed, which is good. And this property was rented before, and the vendors now, because of interest rate, choose to sell. Another living area. I would probably knock the wall down to create more space. That's the kitchen. Livable, simple, clean, neat, not bad. And yeah, we got some space. You can storage stuff in the kitchen. It's neat. And we have a bathroom. Yeah, and that's, now we going more to the outdoor area. There you go. And we like this part of this terrace because there is a potential to, on the top, add an extra level and maybe turn 2 bedrooms into 3 bedrooms with potentially add an ensuite. That would be the ideal. That's why it was attractive from an investment perspective. And this part was extended, and this is the outdoor area. A bit of a green outside, a bit of space. For that price in Rozelle is not bad actually, especially if you could add an extra value by extending on the top. Let's keep checking around. Let's go upstairs. There you go. And we have bedroom number 1. So this is more some storage space. So that's the bedroom. And ideally, if as an investment, the reason was then attractive for our clients is because if you go back here, you could extend. So if you turn this room into an ensuite, you add an extra bathroom, that would be valuable. There you go. After we go to the other bedroom, there is more space here, and I like it. What I like about this bedroom is you got a balcony. And this is not the main road, it's pretty quiet street, and that's where it finished. So this property was sold for 1,680, and I believe it's a decent price for a terrace. And this terrace has, let me see if I can find out, 145 square meters total of land and 91 square meters internal space, and this one was sold on the 22nd of November 2022. Let me know your feedback, and I just want to give you an idea what $1.680 million buy you in Rozelle in November 2022.